In Korea, drinking is not just about alcohol. It's about food, people, and surviving the night. In many countries, drinking is optional. In Korea, drinking is social. You don't drink because you're thirsty. You drink because someone invited you. Refusing a drink in Korea can feel more awkward than actually having one. Basic drinking etiquettes. You never pour your own drink. You pour with two hands. You turn your head when drinking in front of seniors. This is Korea's most famous alcohol, soju. Cheap, smooth, dangerous. Don't like soju? Try these other alcoholic beverages. Beer, Makgeolli, and Somaek. In Korea, you never drink without food. These foods are called Anju. It keeps the night alive. Some Anju might shock you, like spicy chicken feet dog barrel, silkworm bandegi, liftobok sanakji, and blood sausage sundae. This is a Pojangmacha, Korea's street drinking culture. Why does it exist? Koreans work very hard. Drinking is released after a long day at work. Workers tend to visit Pojangmacha on their way back home for a quick grab of food and soju. Korean drinking culture is unforgettable. If your country has a drinking culture and would like to share, please leave a comment below.